Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the tools and phone, install Sony Mobile Flasher and the ADB/Fast Boot drivers on your PC so communication is reliable. Once done, download the exact FTF firmware for your specific model and confirm the checksum to avoid brick risk. Make sure USB debugging is on and the bootloader unlocked if the procedure requires it. This prevents stalls during flashing. Connect the device with a good cable and watch for the PC to recognize the phone before you now load the firmware into Sony Mobile Flasher and choose flash mode. Click the FTF file and let the tool parse partitions. Then, select precise options, decide whether to wipe data, exclude apps, or retain user files because each choice affects outcome and recovery. Confirm the target model displayed matches your device and, if necessary, backup APN settings and IMEI-related information. This protects connectivity later. Once all options look right, prepare the device for the flash prompt. You trigger the flash by following prompts, typically powering the phone into the required key mode and clicking start. Then monitor the progress bar and log output. This shows which partitions update. Do not disconnect or interrupt the process because partial flashes cause serious issues. Once complete, reboot and verify core functions: boot, baseband, Wi-Fi, and camera. If something fails, try a clean reflash after reinstalling drivers. Then revalidate the FTF checksum as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.